So I was sitting here thinking while I was tending to the fire and doing some other things, and that's one thing I want to do this coming spring, because we're coming into winter now. So I'm kind of trying to winterize the camp a little bit. I moved all the wood out of the way and threw it behind the tree over here. I just kind of piled it up behind the tree. And I don't know if it shows on camera or not, but this whole fire pit sits. There's like a whole mound, like right over the fire. This fire pit sits like right in the middle of a mound. And probably because logging vehicles were back here, you know, probably a long time ago. And you know, that's where the tire were going. But what I want to do is I want to move all the rocks out, like move them all, and then get a shovel out here and try to level this whole mound out. And then redo the fire pit and maybe place it somewhere else. Because I've got a stream like literally right nearby, so I got rocks all over the place. So, plus I can organize the rocks a little bit more. You know, get some of the flatter ones and strategic areas where I can cook. And places to, you know, I can use that little grill I found. You know, have it on a level surface. Unfortunately, because someone took the wood off my table, I know someone's been out here. And it's a bummer, but I'm not really that bummed because I kind of expected it. And the thing about it is that even though someone being here tells me that anyone can just walk back here, because I'm really not that far from the road. So once I'm going to take the table down before I leave today, which is, you know, here on my left. It's going to be taken down. I'm going to move the firewood and the firewood rack over and stand it up by the tree like I did with the other stuff, and then let winter come, see what happens after winter. And then I'm going to redo the table in the spring and basically take everything out of here that has any sign that I've been here. Move the firewood, move the rack. I mean, if I have a great day, you know, anytime before, you know, in the next couple weeks or so, next several weeks, I can always come out, do a fire, do a video, you know, cook some lunch, do something outdoorsy. You know, so I'm not completely limited, but I can still come out here. And when this whole area is snow, though, I mean, my only worry is getting stuck in the vehicle. But the roads should be clear. But we were out here one time and the roads were clear, but where you parked the car on the side of the road was snowed in, so you know, Dave actually got stuck trying to turn around, so I had to pull him out. Thankfully, he had a rope and I had my truck with me. So, we'll just see how it goes. Just kind of play it by ear. Well, I got the bank line down. I wish I'd used paracord because some of the knots were not easy to get undone. So I might get some bank line next time or next spring and maybe rehang it a little differently. The reason I'm basically taking it down is because it doesn't stress the tree by having, cord around it and hanging stuff from it. Not to mention, well, if someone hadn't taken the wood, the snow would have piled up on the logs. So it would have, potentially added stress to the tree. So why do that? I already appreciate the fact that these two stood here while I hung my table, but I can always rebuild it. Maybe I'll attack it at another angle next time, and maybe I'll make something better. Maybe I'll make something I can hide. Maybe I can make something independent or freestanding, so I don't have to. I can actually stash it out in the woods somewhere, and hope no one finds it and breaks it down for firewood. Sort of like a DIY IKEA idea. We'll see though. Of course, the bank line has to pick up sticks just like paracord.